If f of 7 equals to negative 3 and f inverse of 4 equals to 2, find the value of 1/3 of f of 2, positive 5/3 of f inverse of negative 3. Here we have two information. One is f of 7 equals to negative 3 and other one is f inverse of 4 equals to 2. So using these information, we have to find the value of this expression. Okay, now let me take the first information, that is f of 7 equals to negative 3. Okay, consider the function f of x. Okay, in this function, if I plug in x is equal to 7, what result will I get? So that is what given over here. In the function f of x, if when I plug in x is equal to 7, I am getting the result negative 3. This negative 3 is nothing but the value of y. That means I consider a point on the graph of f of x. In that point, if the x coordinate is 7, then the y coordinate is negative 3. So we can write that 7 comma negative 3 is a point on f of x. Okay, here in this point 7 comma negative 3, 7 is the x coordinate and negative 3 is the y coordinate. What if I switch the x coordinate and y coordinate? I'll be getting a new point negative 3 comma 7. If the point 7 comma negative 3 is on the graph of f of x, then the point negative 3 comma 7 must be on the graph of f inverse of x. That is, if I plug in negative 3 for x into f inverse of x, the result must be equal to 7. So that is f inverse of negative 3 equals to 7. Okay, now let's do the same work in the second information, that is f inverse of 4 equals to 2. Okay, so if f inverse of 4 is equal to 2, then we have a point, we have the point 4 comma 2 is on the graph of f inverse of x. Okay, in this point 4 comma 2, what if I switch the x coordinate and y coordinate? I'll be getting the point 2 comma 4. If 4 comma 2 is on the graph of f inverse of x, then 2 comma 4 must be, the point 2 comma 4 must be on the graph of f of x. That is, if I plug in x is equal to 2 into f of x, so the result must be equal to 4. That is, f of 2 equals to 4. Okay, so in the work what I've done so far, I got the values of f inverse of negative 3 and f of 2. F inverse of negative 3 equals to 7 and f of 2 is equal to 4. So we need the values of f inverse of negative 3 and f of 2. So I have to plug in these two values into the given expression and evaluate it. Okay, let's do it on the next page. Here we have the given expression. We have to find the value of this expression. Okay, so on the previous page, I got the value of f of 2, that is 4. So I can plug in 4 for this f of 2. So I get 1/3 times 4, positive 5/3. And also on the previous page, I got the value of f inverse of negative 3, that is 7. So I can plug in 7 for f inverse of negative 3. So 1 times 4 is 4. 4 over 3, positive 5 times 7 is 35 over 3. Okay, here we have two fractions in addition with the same denominator. So we can take the denominator once and we can add the numerators. So 4 positive 35 will be 39 and divided by 3. So 3 goes into 3 1 times, 3 goes into 3 1 times, 3 goes into 9 thrice. So the answer is 13. So that is the evaluation of the given expression is 13.